Okay, Dipa gang. Good morning, Dipa gang. Welcome back to a new vlog today, Dipa gang. So today is if I look crazy, my bad, I just woke up. Today is October 4th, and I got quite a lot of stuff to do today. And my eyes go like this is because I don't got my contacts on. I'm really actually blind, and yeah, like I said, I just woke up, so don't mind it. But today I got quite a bit of things to do today. I'll eat and get ready for virtual church. It's currently like 10:45 or 10:46. I watched this virtual church from 11 to I think like 1 or 2, I don't know. I just watched for a really long time. I like listening to it. I feel like every Sunday he brings me a brand new message. His name is Pastor Jake. So like I said, I listened to that for an hour on YouTube. But while I'm listening to it, I'm probably going to show y'all me measuring this little part of my wall, because I'm trying to make my own like wig shelf where all my wigs can lay, because I literally have nowhere to put my wigs, and I'm tired of putting my wigs in a freaking bag for them to get matted up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna measure that. Then after that, I'm gonna get ready, because we have a baseball game to go to for my little brother. He has baseball games every Sunday, so we go there. So I'm gonna film that. Basically, I'm gonna film everything. Then I also have to go to Home Depot to actually get the shelves and the paint and stuff like that. Then I think today I'm gonna, look on Amazon and stuff like that, because I really need and want to finish my room, because like it looks good so far, but like I want to complete it, because like we've been in this house for a month and some weeks now. But like me, I like to finish my stuff, so y'all gonna see me doing that too. And also when I create the shelves, paint the shelves, maybe hang it up, if y'all don't see me hanging it up and painting it today, y'all probably gonna see me do that tomorrow. If y'all hear rainwater, it's because that's how I go to sleep at night. I have to cut on rainwater to go to sleep. Then after that, I low-key want to bake this pie that I was looking at, so y'all may see me bake the pie. I think I'm gonna actually try to film that, because like it's new content, baby. So yeah. And then I also have to clean today. On Sundays, it's my cleaning day. I literally have to clean my whole entire room, like from top to bottom. And then I go in my bathroom and clean it from top to bottom. I've been doing this for like ever since, like I've been doing this real heavy ever since I moved back home from off campus. Well, actually this year. But yeah, you guys, like especially with Corona around, you have to clean your room. You have to get them doorknobs. Like when I tell you I clean, I get the doorknobs. I clean the counters, I clean the light switch, I clean everything from top and bottom. Especially my bathroom, because our bathroom is also / the guest bathroom. So when guests come over and they use it, you don't know what they have or what they tracked or anything. So I like to clean the knobs, stuff like that. Like I like to get it all. Because like I said, I had Corona before. I don't want it ever again, and I don't want nobody in my house getting it. So yeah, y'all really finna see me do all that. And like, yeah, I know I sound congested. It's because I sleep with a fan now. People who sleep with a fan, y'all already know we be congested. But yeah, you guys, I gotta get to church soon, and I gotta eat. So I'll be back when I'm actually doing the majority of the stuff that I told y'all. And yes, I'm actually gonna film that stuff today, because I know in my last vlog from yesterday, I did not film like I said I was gonna film. So I'm gonna do it today. So on with YouTube church. It is currently 12:12 right now. So like I said, since I'm building some shelves for my wigs, and yeah, you can see some wigs right here. But I'm fin to measure this little area right here because this is where I want it to be at, because I was like, I want something right there that's gonna be unique and different from like literally anybody else's room. And then I was gonna put like a picture or something right there, but I was like, it's so hard to find a picture or canvases that are beautiful that I want and it personally fits me or something like that. So I was like, I don't have no storages for my wigs, so I might as well build a wig wall. I'm finna measure this real quick. So yeah, gotta go to Home Depot today and actually get the things to do it with. So if I don't show y'all today, I'm going to most definitely show y'all tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog, because it's Vlogtober, baby, it's Vlogtober. So you guys, since I'm officially done with church and I'm officially done with cleaning, as you all seen, I'm fin to get ready for the day, because the game starts at like 1 or 1:30 and it's like 12 now. So I'm finna get ready. And we finna head to the baseball game. I mean, probably after the baseball game, probably gonna head to Walmart, Home Depot, and whatnot. But you guys, I'll be back either when we head into the baseball game or if we at the baseball game or whatever. So I'll see y'all later. Okay guys, so I am finally dressed and I'm finally back. And I'm basically finna show y'all my outfit of the day. I think I'm gonna start doing it in these vlogs when I'm actually dressing up, or just do it in general, because like, oh, why not? But I'm finna show y'all the outfit of the day because I am finna go to the baseball game soon. So I'm finna show y'all real quick. So you guys, these are the shoes. I got these from Rack Room Shoes or something like that. I got the anklet and the pants. These are one of my favorite brand new or whatever. And this is the shirt. Let me back. But this is the look. It's classy, simple, whatever. And my shirt looks real funny, I know. Like, this whole little area look funny. The reason why is because of my back brace. If some of y'all don't know, I wear a back brace, so yes. So basically, we got in an accident years ago, and I was the only one injured in the car accident. And I end up, I forgot what it's called, but I guess you can say I sprained this part of my neck and my back. So I would constantly have like extreme back pains and stuff like that, and it kind of messed with my posture. So now, like, when I walk, I like walk over like this. But basically, he told me I needed to get a back brace years ago. I never just really listened. But like, now that I've gotten older, I see why he said that. So I wear it. It makes me out of breath. It does help with my posture, but I haven't worn it in a while, so my posture is getting back slumped over again. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing a back brace. But you guys, I will probably see y'all when I get to the freaking game or whatever, because it should be like 12:50, almost 1 o'clock now. So we finna head out soon. But yeah, shoot guys, let's get it started. So you guys, we are at Office Depot. We were just at Walmart and Home Depot, and we got the shelves and stuff, but we didn't even get the screws or nothing. So yeah.
Looks like the light is going in and out. And this is the last stop, honestly. We're heading back home, and I'm probably going to show y'all me cooking a little bit, and that's probably going to wrap it up, you know?
So now you guys, we are going into Michael's. Since we didn't find what we needed to find.
Knockout. You win.
Okay guys, so I'm finally back home and I'm probably finna start on a pie, and I think that's really gonna be the end of today's vlog, cause like, why not? But I ain't gonna really talk too much through me making a pie and stuff, cause I mean I'm just gonna hurry up and do it cause I have other things to do. So y'all finna see it next. The last clip y'all seen me, I was getting my flu shot, and yeah, so y'all finna see that. So as y'all can see, I just put the first batch of ingredients in and I spilled some sugar, but you know what? It is all good and it's all okay. I said it's all good and it's all okay. So now, I'm gonna check on my rice that I'm boiling. Should be done in a few minutes. But yes, you guys, I'm making this pie. I may insert it. I just seen it when my mama was getting her hair done and I was like, that looks real good. So I took a picture of the recipe and ingredients and stuff, and now I'm making it. You know, my teeth hurt real bad, but we gonna get it done. But I'm probably gonna be back once I'm actually filling the pie crust, because it is a pie. That's the pie that we ain't never had before, because as y'all seen, I put applesauce in there. I never had any pie or cake with applesauce in it, but I heard that if you put applesauce in certain cakes and pies, it gives it something, a little bit more moisture, and it's fat free or something like that. So we gonna see how it is, but I'm probably gonna taste it tomorrow on tomorrow's vlog. But the last clip of today's vlog is probably gonna be me actually filling the pies, and that's it, and that's all. But I'm probably gonna tell y'all goodbye, of course. But yeah, y'all. That is the end of today's vlog. I really hope you all really enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating for you. I feel like today I gave y'all a little bit more content, you know, a little bit more things. So yes, you guys, I will be back tomorrow to continue Vlogtober and to complete my October 5th vlog, you guys. I love y'all, Dipa gang. I hope y'all have a great day or a great night. Remember to stay positive, be a positive person, and speak positivity in your life. I love you all. I hope y'all have a great day or a great night, Dipa gang. And see y'all tomorrow.